Good day, guys. Here's an update to the PnPduino Honda K series. So we've updated the firmware and the hardware. So now it easily goes to full sync from cranking. So no need to always start just to try to make it sync. One more time. And also we've updated the firmware so that you can run without the exhaust cam. So for the stock ECU, this exhaust cam, even though it's not working, the ECU will still run. So we modified the firmware that it can still also run without this exhaust cam. To do that, you need to change the injection to semi-sequential and keep the injector pairing 1 plus 3 and 2 and 4. Click burn. You have to change also the spark settings from sequential to wasted cop. You also have to disable this to no, and you might have to change your VE table from my experience. So we'll just try to change this 47, and yeah, I think that's it. We have to reset the ECU. And we'll start again. See? Engine runs and there's no exhaust cam signal.
We are currently cruising at 80 kph at 6th gear. And for the VTC, what we did is instead of 0 to 50, like in the on data, we are using 5 to 55. So the 0 in on data is like 5 in PnPduino, and the 50 is 55 in PnPduino. The VTC control is in closed loop, so it means you just have to put your target VTC angle in the table, and the VTC control will automatically adjust the duty cycle to reach the target VTC angle. As you can see from the dashboard, the VTC target angle and the VTC angle are almost the same, and the duty cycle is changing whether going up or going down. It will follow what is the target angle. Now we will increase the VTC angle by 10 degrees. So from 5 it will become 15, and when we adjust it, you can see that the target angle will change to 15 and the VTC angle will become 15, and the duty cycle will also change. And it will maintain the VTC angle as per the target angle. Now we will increase the VTC target angle by 10. So we will put 25, 35, 45, and 55, which is the maximum. Now the VTEC settings are under programmable outputs in programmable output 2, and you can select what RPM it will engage, and also I am adding additional condition for the TPS, how much TPS I have to press to also engage the VTEC.